Hello everyone and hello to the newlyweds. Charot. Congrats Jap and congrats Inday. Inday Windang, my only sister. Surprise day ni surprise. Surprise ka day banga ben ako ni mga speech day kay dili man ta ngan dili wala tadaan na di ngani. Bitaw day. Hello. Ka-awkward. Wala kumanad. Pero, walang. Happy kay ko. Para nimo. Day basig ludun ka day. Kay dili beta ingani. Bitaw day. Congrats. I'm so happy for you. Kaila ko na ko. Charot. Kanang happy kay ko. Happy ra kay ko kay nakasal na jud ka. Nag-una ka na ako. Giyunan ko nimo, charot. Okay ra gid kayong bisag kinsa pay mag-una na to. Ang importante kay kasal na ka. Minyo na mo ni Jappy. Asawag bana na jud mo. Official. And congrats. Yan, nasad lang ko gamay. Kaya wala ko dira. Ganahan, unta ko na ako dira kay. Ako jud mong bridesmaid unta. Charot. Naunta kay kanang bridesmaid. Pero okay ra na. Ka-uwi ako. Mo to day, na-touch lang ko kay gabi eh. The night before sa imong wedding, ni-chat jud ka na ko. Ni-chat jud ka sa imong ate. Ni-chat jud ka sa imong one and only ate nga. Ikaugma. Niyan chat kay ikaugma daw. Mano kay mailisan na iyang apelido. Wako ka ba nag-uul baka dayo nalipay. Joke lang. Today, kanang congrats ninyong duha ni Jappy. Wala na mag-uwi may speech, oy. Palaban na nag-internet anibi. Warren and Rowena, man down. You have one child that is married. Bitaw, kanang my sister is my one and only sibling and I couldn't ask for a better one. Kitarog yung duha day. Thank you for being so kind, hardworking, and endlessly strong. Strong mother to ayin. Bitaw, kanang strong jud ka nga pagkatao, pagka-babay. And mo ginay naka-wonderful sa imuha. Kauwi. Kauwi na to, basi giluod na kadiha day. You are the kind of woman who gives all to the people you love. You're also an amazing mother to Ayin, and watching you balance everything with so much grace leaves me in awe. Gadugo akong ilong ato. Pero you're just so great. You're just so wonderful. Balancing being a mother and a daughter to Rowena. Growing up, you're always someone I could count on, or someone that I could keep a secret from our parents. Charot. Bitaw, sorry mother and father sa among mga secrets. Nga mo kabalo. Nga kamirang duha nakabalo. Pero naiusahay jud na mga secrets. Nadyusay nga mga secrets na to kay kahibaw sad si mama. Moana pug ka ay saba ni ate ma ha? Muana pud si mama nako, ayog saba ni Windy maha. Patay na open na si Papa. Sorry pa. Ana ra jud ng mga babae. Seeing you find love, the kind of love that makes you smile just a little brighter and breathe a little easier. It's such a gift. English to. And to Jappy, thank you for loving my sister, and thank you sa the way ni mo pag-love sa iyaha. Thank you for being her partner, like diha ka mo laban niya in case magkinaaway na sila ni mama or ni papa. Thank you for being her partner, her teammate, and for stepping into this journey with her. Thank you. To my sister, my one and only sister, I love you and I miss you. Congratulations. Thank you for being my manghud. My one and only manghud. Congrats ninyo. Ay, nakasuwat man diri. Let's raise a glass to a lifetime of laughter. So if you have soft drinks there, let's raise our soft drinks. Let's raise our soft drinks to a lifetime of laughter, love, and endless inside jokes that no one else will ever understand. To the bride and groom, congratulations. Bye.